Alright, hey guys, this is the Tapco Intrafuse stock, and mainly what this video is about is how to fit this Tapco gas tube. This is a Yugoslavian SKS, also called a Yugo, and I could not get my wood furniture off of the other gas tube, so I wound up getting this guy off Amazon, and I pounded the little pins with the hammer and the proper sized punch, and I could not get it off. So that's what this is all about. But then once I got it, I had trouble getting this thing on. So before we get started, here's the gun. It's the SKS. It's got the telly stock on the end. Pretty cool. And let's check this out. So let's note right here, okay? Because we're going to need to check this out later. So right here, we have a little bit of a gap. Not much of a gap. Very little gap. No gap, right? So we'll flip this flip the lever up here. Get a pin. Yeah, I think it's on there. Let's see if I can get it. Damn, just broke my pin. Alright. I got it in my hand earlier. There we go. Okay, so flipped it up. And the gas tube comes out. Okay, now let's take a look at the gas tube. This is what Tapco sends. So right here, when you get this thing, there's going to be a little protrusion here and here, some little plastic tabs. Nothing in the center on either of these, and then right here there'll be two more plastic tabs. Now if you remember when I had it on the gun, when it was on there, there was a bit of a gap here and nothing here, right? So in retrospect, if I had to do this again, if I was starting over, I would not file these tabs. I would start with just these guys and see if then see how that goes. If you need to, you can always file these down, but I would start with just these, and I filed them pretty much flush to where the plastic is. Now the other thing that I did, as you can see on the end of here, I filed a little bit. Take the piston out. I filed a little bit off the end of the gas tube, you can see right there. But again, if I had to do this again, I probably did not need to do that, and I probably wouldn't do it again, but I did it. So I would start without doing that. But what I would recommend is you can check out the profile. Let's see if we can get it here. Check out the profile on the end of that. You can kind of see how I filed the angle, sort of right here at the top of the gas tube. You can see there's a little bit of an angle there. And that's what made the big difference. I just took a metal file, and you know, I do like 10 or 20 strokes and put it back on the gun. It didn't fit. Do 10 or 20 more, and after a while, it eventually will snap into place. Okay, so put the gas tube back in here, and then let's check the fit on this bad boy. Okay, so that goes in, and if you look right here, it's kind of hard to do holding the camera. Let's see if I can get to focus here. When I snap this down, get it here. There we go. You can see it snaps right over the top of that, right where I filed it. So the two things that really helped were filing that part down and filing these two little pins down. Other than that, it fits great, and the stock is cool. You know, I really like it. Telly stock at the end, pretty slick, and then got the pistol grip. And that's it. So that's the Yugo SKS. Hope that helps. Have a good one.